Robotic welding station under construction.
Hello everyone, this is Faye from TTM Group. Today I will introduce our arc welding cell, which we built for a Mexico customer. This cell includes one full-set arc welding jig, one OTC robot, and many high-quality electrical components like SMC cylinders, IFM sensors, and so on. TTM also specialized in providing tailor-made fixtures to meet diverse customers' needs, whether for standard process or unique manufacturing requirements. The entire project process combines the welding fixture, turntable, and the OTC robot to form a complete welding solution. And the TTM can also provide PLC programming and the commissioning service for the customers to create a full work process. We are committed to not just supplying equipment, but crafting solutions that align with your production goals. Thanks for your pay attention.